Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download the uh, Chrome extension for Zotero. That's a referencing tool, and with this Chrome extension you can easily use this Zotero when you are working on your research paper and review paper. I will go to Google, and Google I will say Zotero Chrome extension. Here it is. So once it appears here, Chrome extension, it's a Zotero connector to your Google. So here it is. See, here is Zotero connector, and on the right hand side it will show you add to Chrome. See, here it is showing that remove from Chrome because I have one downloaded in my computer, so it is giving me the option to remove. But in your computers, if you're not downloaded, it will ever show you the option of add to Chrome, and you will click that option of add to Chrome. And once you do it, you will see here in this top right corner, here I have multiple extensions, and you will have one. See, I have this Zotero connector here. At the end, it's the Zotero connector. So how this Zotero connector is used? It is used when you are doing the literature review and looking after your relevant papers. Say for example, I'm working on a paper and I'll go to PubMed, Google Scholar, Scopus, or any literature review database you are working on, and you will need to collect the relevant papers in Zotero, Mendeley, or any other software. So this is what happens. Say we are writing about MI and atrial fibrillation. I'm just giving you an example how to use this connector. So it is showing a lot of studies, and say for example, okay, say for example I wish to add this particular study. What I will do, I will select it. I will go to Zotero. I have selected the study, and I will go to Zotero connector. I will click it, and from here, see, whatever studies are being shown on this first page of this Google or any other database that you are looking into, with just clicking the Zotero connector, it will show you all the studies here that are on this page of the PubMed you are looking into. So from here you can select any of the studies, you can maximize it, and say for example these studies from page 1, I wish them to add to, that's it, here on the right bottom. Okay, and obviously you will have a file or a collection named in your Zotero. Say for example untitled 1, this is an example. I am editing to now, and now I will click it is done. So these studies will be collected to my Zotero files. This is the one way to use the Chrome. Second is that you can directly, say for example I have opened this article and I have read this article. Either you are dealing with the abstract or you are going to open the link. Say for example I wish to add this article after reading. Again, you can go to this Zotero connector, click over it, and from here you will select. I have multiple collections in Zotero. So say for example I wish to add in this one, will click it and you will say done, and this article will be directly added to your Zotero collection. So this is how it works. And see, in Zotero collection, this is untitled 1. The left side there are multiple columns. So see, these many of these studies that I have just added, they are here in my Zotero tab. So this is how you have to use and download the Zotero Chrome extension. Thank you.